Hello everyone. Today we'll try to understand what type of errors we will face in Excel usually when we are working with large kind of data or whatever the data set is. So first point, before that we will try to understand what is error. An error in Excel occurs when a formula or a function cannot compute a result due to issues like invalid data, references or syntaxes. The common causes including dividing by zero, invalid cell references, misplaced functions, or insufficient cell. Many types of errors are there. Errors indicates incorrect inputs, preventing proper calculation. So, what we will try to understand today, what type of errors usually we will face in Excel and what are the root cause problems for that. And also, we will try to understand what is the solutions to tackle that kind of errors. The first most common error even I face is divisible error. Divisible errors occurs when dividing a number by zero. We know that any number cannot divisible by zero. So if we take one example here, I'm trying to do is equal to 4 divided by 0. Look at that. It cannot divide with 0. That's an error. So we will face divisible error when you try to do dividing a number by 0. Logically that's incorrect guys. Okay. And what is the solution for this? Just do not divide by 0. That's it. And the next one, any error. I hope and I'm sure 99% of all Excel users they will face any errors. When they will face any errors, value not available. For example, in this case, I'm trying to do a VLOOKUP. I'm trying to search some 5 lookup value. When 5 is not in A1 to A3 in the specific range, will not get that value. At that moment, we will get NA as an error. So NA means that's not available. And the next one is value error. Wrong data type used in formula. For example, if you look at here, example, hello plus 10. I am trying to do addition, one text and one numeric. That's not possible. In this case, you're supposed to use both sides correct data type. Okay. And the next one is a reference error. So reference error, invalid cell reference. If cell contains A1 plus B1 and you deleted column A, now in C1 cell it is referring A1 cell which you have already deleted. In that case you will get ref errors because it's not finding source. You have deleted that. Before deleting that one, please check the references cells. And the next one is name errors. Unrecognized text in formula. For example, you have typed SUMM instead of sum. So it is not identifying the name of that function. We don't have SUMM function. We have only SUM function. So in that case, you should correct your name of the function. And the next one is null errors. Incorrect range operator used. For example, if we take in this example sum a1 to a3 comma, I forgot to give comma here. In such cases, you will get null errors. You will get null errors. And the next one is numeric errors. When you give invalid numeric calculations like this, square root, if I'm trying to find square root of minus 1, that's invalid. You will get numeric errors. And that's all from my end. So I hope this is useful for you. If yes, please subscribe to my channel for more like these videos and comment me on this below section if you want to more deep on this topic.